Testing 1, 2, 3. Rubber, very good, excellent. We're looking good. We're sounding good. We're looking good. The person who said delivery process, give me an example of delivery processes. All right. I want some examples. I want some examples of delivery processes. All right. Give me some examples. Yeah. Someone said, I think of relation between supply and customers. Who said that? I think of relation between supply and customers. Give me an example of that. I'll probably help you. I like this point. I think of relation between supplier and customers. Tell me about that relation. So I agree with you. So if in terms of supply chain, I'm thinking of relations between the supplier and the customer. What about this relation? What about the relation between the supplier and the customer? Well, I could say this. You will have feedback, right? In that relationship, you'll have feedback. Not so? In that relationship, you'll have delivery of goods and services. Not so? In that relationship, you may find them negotiating. The person who said this, give me some feedback. In that relationship, you may have negotiation. All right, negotiation of price. You might have a negotiation of a price, right? So things like that. All right, whoever said, okay, we have raw material, nice, total cost of ownership. The person who said that, they did a good job there, boy. Whoever did total cost of ownership, they did a really good job there. Inbound and outbound delivery. All right, I'll leave that one for later. The person who said warehousing. Who said Ibrahim, warehousing? What comes to mind? So in terms of supply chain, when you think of warehousing, what do you think of? I think of stock, right? I think of stock. When I think of warehousing, what else comes to mind? In terms of warehousing, I think of what else? In terms of warehousing, inventory management. All right, inventory management. Yeah, in terms of warehousing, inventory management, or inventory and warehouse management. What else? When you think of warehousing, what comes to mind? Technology. Yeah. When I think of warehousing, I think of people as well. Don't forget people. I think of people. All right. When I think of warehousing, what comes to mind? Yeah, good. You think of, you give me some. You think of offloading. Very good. Offloading. You think of offloading. No problem. Offloading. Good one. Yes. Someone said when they think of inventory management, when they think of supply chain management, they think of equipment. All right. I like that one. I agree with that. In terms of equipment, well, forklifts. Yeah, that's equipment. The person who did that one, forklifts. What else comes to mind? Forklifts. What else comes to mind besides forklifts? What else? Robots. What else besides robots? What else comes to mind? Think about it. Someone said, when you think of supply chain management, you think of resource utilization and optimization. This is interesting. So this relates to efficiency. Very good. This relates to productivity. Excellent. This relates to employee available time. Nice. Resource utilization. Can I include technology there? Technology. Can I include, I don't know if that's a yes. Can I also include capacity management? What about capacity, managing capacity? Managing capacity. We're going so good, guys. So supply chain management. When you think, what is OSDR? Could someone help me? We're doing so good here, guys. Someone even has just-in-time performance. Yes. So when you think of supply chain management, you think of air freight and vessel booking. Very true. You think of customer clearance. You think of transportation and lead time. You think of JIT performance. Yes. What does JIT performance mean? I'll just add a few things to that. Just in time is really about, really talks about, JIT performance mean, manufacturing. Manufacturing only when there is demand. Yes, manufacturing where there's only demand. JIT performance is really all about zero stock or inventory. That's what JIT promotes, zero stock or zero inventory. Same thing. I'll just leave it as zero stock. All right. When I think of JIT performance, I think of lean operating in a lean manner. I think of lean management. Going really nice, guys. I think of lean management. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Someone has the internet. Okay, no problem. So I think we okay. I think we fill out most of it. Some of them we would have left out, but that's okay. All right, guys. Nice. Good job. Very good job. Awesome.